perfect recipe. One lady told me, "Do you know this is this funny thing? When my husband cooks, I always know what mood he is in. When he is in great mood, the dishes that he cooks are amazing. It tastes differently when he is in another mood." Well, it's so true. When we cook something and we love what we do and we feel great, then it comes awesome because we feel good. Remember, you create everything in your life, including the dish that you cook. So when you feel good, it just somehow comes amazing. But the interesting part is that this applies to every area of our lives. When we feel good, we create what we want. So, this is the perfect recipe. Whether you cook, whether you want to make money, more money, whether you want to have amazing relationship, whether you want to heal yourself. Whatever you do, this is the recipe. So, take a pen and paper and please write this down. It's very simple, but you might write it down. You need 2 cups of love. Then you need 2 cups of gratitude. Then you need another 2 cups of fun. Then you sprinkle all of that, put it in the bowl, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And then you sprinkle all of that with imagination. Sprinkle of imagination. Mix it very well again. And there we are. Voila! A recipe for perfect creation. Have absolutely magical day. Bye bye.